Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme GT Master Edition, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to find the notification and status bar. Now let's take a look at the status bar section, and here on the second position we've got show battery percentage on status bar. So let's tap on it, and we've got three different options from which we can choose. We've got the do not display option applied, and obviously because we've got only the battery icon without the percentage, but we can set the percentage outside the battery icon or inside the battery icon. So it's really up to which option you'd like to use. Inside the battery icon looks like it, and outside looks like something like that. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your Realme GT Master Edition. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.